everyone, I hope you're still doing good today. My name is Pateka and welcome to my channel. So today, if you are viewing my channel for the first time, please feel welcome. You can click on the logo of the channel and see more videos. So in this channel, I try to post the side hustles that I have used to create extra income and that have worked for me. So today I'm going to talk about working with brands and advertising on social media. I'm sure you have seen people, or the people you call influencers, advertising for companies, different companies on social media, your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and TikTok as well. And you have seen people making posts on social media that says sponsored posts. So those people are getting paid to write those posts on social media. Basically, you get invited by a company to be part of their campaign. And it will depend on how big your following is on social media, like how many friends do you have on Facebook, how many followers do you have, and in all these social networks. So today I'm here to tell you that social networks are very powerful. They are not just social media. So please don't be one of those who use social media just to troll people, just to insult people. It's about time that you make money with the time you spend on social media. So if you think you can also do the advertising on social media, if you think you've got what it takes, or if you would like to earn extra income, here is a platform you can register in order to be invited for campaigns, in order to be offered these opportunities to advertise. That means to write posts on social media, and then you get paid for it. I have been part of many campaigns. I remember one time I was part of a campaign by Sensodyne, whereby you just had to buy a toothpaste of 40 Rand, and I was going to be paid about 1,000 Rand. And then you use that toothpaste and then you write about 3 to 4 posts on social media. Yeah, so they had a new toothpaste that they were introducing to people, and that's what I had to do. The other time I was part of Checkers campaign, which was for 60/60. I don't know if you're somebody who shops online, you would know that Checkers has got that 60/60 app, whereby if you order, they will deliver in 60 minutes. I was part of the first people who had to promote that app. You just had to order food on Checkers and gets delivered, and you make a video while doing that. For me, this is easy money. This is like easy things anybody can do. You post on Facebook every day, nobody pays you. This is easy money. You register for free. You complete your profile. That means you put as much information as possible so that they can select you. Because remember, it's not just you, there's many other people. And then that's it. Then you get paid, and immediately after the campaign ends, your money will be in your account. So let me show you. This is my account. Currently I've got 0 available balance. Pending clearance. This is money whereby when you have done a campaign and you are not paid for it. Nano score. This you will understand once you are registered. Basically you get credits for doing quiz. The quiz is like a questionnaire, whereby they send questionnaires that you can reply to so that they get to know you, and then they know what brands you want to work with and what campaigns to select you for. So the more quizzes you do, the better. So do as many quizzes as possible. The higher your nano score, the better. And this is my status on this platform. It shows that I'm active. So basically you can choose to say that you are not available for campaigns by changing the status. And in this platform, when you register your account, you become level 1, and then when you complete your profile and you verify your email, that is, you become level 2. And then on level 2, once you do you verify your cell phone number, then you become level 2 verified. So my account is level 3 verified because I have referred more than 10 people to this platform, and now I qualify to work with premium brands. So it's also up to you if you want to do that, if you want to refer others. But before you do that, I would suggest that you please first get your own campaign and see how this works before, so that you can tell people about something that you know. So for me, I see this as easy money. What I will do, for those who are interested, I'll post the link on the comment section where you can click to register and join and be part of this platform called The Salt. And you can just keep on checking if you've got any invitations for campaign. They send you an email when they invite you for a campaign, but you can also log into this platform to check as often, because when you apply, you come to this platform. So that's the side hustle I came to share with you today. Thank you so much for coming into my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos on side hustles, on things that you can do at home with your phone, with your computer, in order to make money.